everyone, it's Kristi. I am back to make some shabby dabby doodah pockets. Um, well, one pocket. I just want to put some lace and bling on it for now. We'll see if I want to add more or not. I'm using an 8.5 by 11. Mine turned out a little slightly different than hers because she's using A4, which, as you know, is a little bit longer and narrower excuse me, than our US paper, which is 8.5 by 11 inches. So, but still just as fabulous. So she starts at the top, folding in half, and I will link her her video below so you can watch her do it. Just make a little crease up there so you know where the center is, and then fold down to make a triangle here. And turn this way and do the other side. They don't have to be lined up perfectly. Okay. I'm using the bone folder because this is going to be a little bit thick. Now, she folds up directly. Okay, she folds up from the bottom here, like as if you're making a little sailor hat. I think that's pretty good. Yeah. Make sure it's mostly straight. It's 3 inches over here and 3 inches over there. Wow. Okay. Because our pages are different sizes, I'm going to go ahead and fold this up about 3/4 of an inch, and that'll give me a little bit sturdier pocket as well. There we go. All right, so you've got it this way. Now, I've already made a pocket. Okay, flip this over. I get tricked up on this. I've already made a pocket going this way, so I'm going to make a pocket this time going this way. And I'm folding this about an inch shy of the edge there. I don't know how she gets everything so straight without measuring. She doesn't measure anything and it always comes out perfect. Okay, so there we go. Now we're going to take about an inch of this and fold it backwards. So I'm going to flip it this way and fold it right here. Okay, so that gives you a little bit of a squared off top. And then this is going to fold over about 2 inches. So right about here. And we're going to trim that off so it won't be that bulky. But here's your pocket. You'll have a tuck here, pocket here, pocket here. Perfect. So now let's glue it together. So basically, I'm going to open this up and I'm going to glue the corners down. Now the reason I didn't do this first is because I glued it the first time I did it and I had a harder time folding it, believe it or not. The glue made the paper thick, so I'm hoping, not thick, stiff. Okay, so I'm hoping this will be a little bit easier since I folded it first. And I'm going to go ahead and glue this flap as well. There we go. Okay, so that goes up over. Okay, now there's all that glue. This little piece is going to get trimmed off. So what I did was I just trimmed it off right inside that crease, just a smidge. Another. Okay, and then we're going to fold this over and glue it right there. Like so. I hope that wasn't too confusing with me flip-flopping it around, but like I said, I'll link her video and you can watch her do it. She did it several times and decorated them as well. Okay, so it comes out like this. I'm going to put lace there, so I'm not worried about that extra piece. Oh, I got to fold this down and glue that. There we go. And I think I'm liking this glue. Look at that. That stuck pretty quickly. So far, I'm impressed. Okay, so I think I'm not going to add any ink, but I am going to grunge this up a little bit. Oh, I've got to glue the bottom. I forgot to glue the bottom. Right now I have like a slip through. Okay, let's see if I can stick my fingers in here this way, then I can ink that. And because we folded that over, it's going to be pretty sturdy. So there we go. Okay, so just open this right here. Oops. I'm trying not to squeeze too hard, and I'm airing the opposite. Okay. Okay. So now we fold that down. Okay. Now, I do want to put some some lace across here. Guess I didn't need to ink that part since I'm putting lace. There we go. For this kit, for this journal, I'm going to be using this crochet trim because I have a lot of it and I like it. Okay. Now I want to put some rhinestones on there. I think I'm going to put 5. I usually only put 3, but you know, I'm feeling a little blingy today. So let me cut off a strip of these. And I'm thinking I need maybe possibly just to start peeling off the whole strip, because I can't tell you how many times I've glued it down with the release paper on it and then it comes right back off. So I need to remember to remove the backing release paper. I usually buy it on a roll and it doesn't have the sticky paper, but I think I went to a yard sale. I think that's where I got this. And the lady I had asked her, do you have any paper or fabric or anything that you want to get rid of? And she said, no, but I've got some art supplies that are just sitting here. If you want them, you can, have a whole bag of them for $5. So there was a pair of scissors, there was a bunch of bling, there was paint, there was a set of markers, like not just a set of like 8 markers, like a set of 30 Marvy markers. Remember Marvy markers? And then there was a colored pencils, all kinds of stuff in there. I was like, okay, I'll give you $5 for it. Okay, so that looks cute. So I've got that one, and I want to grunge this one up a little bit. This is my other one that I made earlier. I'm just gonna go around the outside. Don't need to go over that pocket too much. And these are real sturdy. Really sturdy. Not real sturdy. Okay. So I've got 2 pockets there. Now they come out, okay, remember we started out with the 8.5 by 11. They end up being 4 by about 4.5. So I think that's a good size for the journal inserts. So I don't know if they need anything else. I think I like them just the way they are. But there again, we'll have a pocket here, and I will glue them to the page on 2 sides, so there'll be a tuck spot behind. So, all right, that's it for today. Everything's falling down on me. I want to do some flip overs tomorrow, I think. I haven't done those for a couple of journals. So because this is vintage Parcel, the little flip overs have little tiny envelopes, and I thought that would be fun. So thanks for watching. See you next time.